machine ng BQ branch. Working po ito ng 7 days. Spread head area, capping, clean na machine. Nozzle check. Waste tank area, last disposal is last week. Ink tank area, nasa tamang level. Ink system. Dito naman po nakalagay ang ating ink supplies. Ito naman po ang ating na-consume na black, white, film, powder. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.